Today, you're going to learn NumPy from scratch using 10 simple, practical examples. We'll start with the absolute basics and slowly move into slightly more advanced ideas. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how NumPy works and how you can use it to make Python faster, cleaner, and more powerful. Before we begin, let's make sure your setup is ready. To avoid any issues or outdated versions, I recommend using a pip command to install NumPy. This guarantees that the library is properly installed and that all the examples in this video will run smoothly. Once that's done, you're ready to jump in. Let's start with your very first NumPy array. This is the foundation of everything else you'll do, and it's simply a structured list of numbers. When you run the example, you'll see your array printed clearly on the screen, confirming that NumPy is active and working. After that, you'll learn how to generate arrays filled entirely with zeros or ones. These are incredibly useful when initializing data or creating placeholder structures. When you run the code, you'll see a neat line or block of zeros or ones appear, depending on the shape you choose. Next, we'll explore how to create ranges or sequences of numbers. This makes it easy to generate evenly spaced values with just one command. Running the example will show a smooth sequence printed out, and it demonstrates how NumPy handles number generation beautifully. From there, we move on to basic math operations with arrays. Instead of modifying numbers one by one, NumPy applies operations to entire arrays instantly. When you test this, you'll see all your numbers updated. Maybe they're doubled, maybe they're increased, but everything happens in one clean step. Then you'll see how two arrays of the same shape can interact with each other. Adding or multiplying them together is extremely fast and easy. When you run the code, the output will show you how element-by-element operations work, giving you a sense of NumPy's power. We'll also look at indexing and slicing, basically how to pick specific values out of an array or modify them. Once you run the example, you'll see selected elements printed and one of them changed. This is essential for cleaning and shaping data. After that, you'll take your first step into 2D arrays, the matrix world. You'll see how to access rows, columns, or individual elements. The output will show you the shape of the matrix and the values you requested, giving you a better understanding of structured data. You'll also learn how to quickly compute useful statistics like the sum, mean, and maximum value. Running the example will print three simple results: the total, the average, and the highest number in your array. These functions make analysis incredibly quick. Next, we'll dive into matrix multiplication, a core idea behind countless fields like machine learning, data science, and simulations. After running the example, you'll see a brand new matrix appear, created entirely from the multiplication of two others. It's one of the most powerful operations NumPy offers. Finally, we'll explore boolean masking, which lets you filter data based on conditions. After running it, you'll first see a list of true and false values, and then a clean list containing only the numbers that matched your condition. This is a powerful, elegant way to extract meaningful data. If you enjoyed this Python tutorial, make sure to check out the courses section, where you'll find many more short and free tutorials just like this one. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can join the channel and subscribe. It truly helps us create even more content for you. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.